How to keep your hair smelling fresh and clean. Everybody has a distinctive hair odor, but whether it's pleasant or not depends on you. People who routinely work out or work outside in the hot weather will naturally have a tendency to sweat. When you sweat, your scalp will start to develop an odor if debris and bacteria are not washed away properly. Regular hair washing usually leaves your hair smelling clean and fresh, but skip a day, and the odor can be really apparent. Being that person with stinky hair is really embarrassing for both you and everyone around you. Here are 7 natural techniques to give your hair a fresh and clean scent every day. 1. In addition to making your hair smell nice, peppermint oil also promotes hair growth. Since peppermint oil encourages hair development, strands are probably stronger than ever originating from the roots of the hair. Mix together 5 tablespoons of olive oil and a half teaspoon of peppermint oil. Wash your hair as normal and then apply the peppermint oil mixture. Wrap your hair in a towel and leave on for 30 minutes. 2. In addition to making hair smooth, lavender oil also leaves behind a calming scent. If dandruff is the primary cause of odor in your hair, lavender will help with the issue and encourage hair growth too. Massage your scalp with 2 tablespoons of lavender oil in an even manner, ensuring that the oil reaches the roots of the hair. Then, apply the oil through the strands of your hair thoroughly and leave on overnight for the best results. Wash and condition hair as normal after the time is up. To acquire shinier, odor-free hair, repeat this procedure twice weekly. 3. Most frequently, rose water is utilized to give hair a calming scent. However, it also provides a number of lesser-known advantages. Applying rose water to greasy hair can immediately reduce the amount of oil on the scalp, which also helps to keep dandruff away. Spray some rose water on your hair strands, gently comb the hair to apply evenly, and repeat on a daily basis. 4. Cinnamon is frequently employed to promote hair growth and stop hair loss, as well as leaving your hair with a fresh scent. Because it has antibacterial qualities, it helps reduce the likelihood of scalp infections, dandruff, and even head lice. To a pan of boiling water, add 3 to 4 cinnamon sticks and let simmer for 4 to 5 minutes. Remove cinnamon sticks, add 2 teaspoons of honey to the water, and stir well. Evenly apply the cinnamon water through your hair, allow it to air dry for approximately 45 minutes, and then shampoo as normal. You can use this treatment once or twice a week. 5. We all know that jasmine oil has a calming and relaxing scent, but it also helps to strengthen hair roots. Jasmine oil can lessen scalp infections due to its antibacterial characteristics and give you shinier, smoother hair. Use 2 teaspoons of jasmine oil to evenly massage both your scalp and hair strands. For optimum effects, leave the oil on your hair for at least 10 to 15 hours or overnight, and then thoroughly wash with your regular shampoo. You can apply jasmine oil 2 times each week to achieve smoother and fresher hair. 6. In addition to having a calming scent, hibiscus oil also delays the onset of gray hairs. Hibiscus oil addresses issues like split ends, hair breakage, and will soothe an itchy scalp too. Take 2 tablespoons of hibiscus oil and massage into your scalp, as well as hair strands thoroughly. The oil should stay on the hair overnight, and then shampoo and condition your hair normally the next day. Apply hibiscus oil twice weekly to your hair to make it healthy and smell amazing. 7. Lemon juice is one of the most popular treatments for stinky hair. Lemon has natural antibacterial qualities, making it an effective weapon against microorganisms that produce offensive odors, and imparts a soothing scent to the hair. Apply the juice of 1 lemon evenly to your hair with a cotton ball. Let air dry for approximately 12 to 15 minutes, then use shampoo and conditioner to properly wash your hair after that. To keep the tranquilizing scent of lemon juice, repeat this technique once a week. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.